I just said, well, you got some people who classify themselves as white, who are mistreating people classified as non-white, and then I try to look at what they do each and every day in all of the areas of activity, and I try to come up with a system to counteract what they're doing in all of those areas of activity: economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. And I came to the conclusion on a day-to-day basis, why do they do it? I don't go any far with that than to say, well, for one thing, I look at what they get out of it. They get fun, they get glory, and they get material benefits. I call it the big three on a day-to-day basis. What do they get out of this thing called white supremacy, out of racism? Oh, well, it's a lot of things they get out of it. They get fun because they seem to have fun doing it. They seem to just really wallow in it. They enjoy it, mistreating people based on color. And they get glory. They feel great about themselves when they're able to pull it off. I mean, kill off a whole bunch of people. Sneak up on them, with airplanes and whatnot. Blow them to pieces and whatnot. And then hang medals on each other's chests, trade medals and whatnot. And slap each other on the back and high five and say, boy, wasn't that fun? And, and let's have a parade now. We've killed a whole bunch of dark-skinned people. This calls for a parade. Break out the rum. Break out the drinks. Break out the cigars. Let's have all kinds of fun. Let's dance. See what I mean? And then as soon as they finish that, they say, now let's look around and see now. We got some more non-white people over here that we haven't bothered lately. So that'll be our next thing on the agenda. And this is a matter of not what Neely Fuller is saying. This is a matter of you just read the books and read the history books and all this. And they brag about doing all of this. Only the good engine is a dead engine. Saddle up, boys, and let's go get them. And that's the white supremacist philosophy. That's the part that I deal with, the functional part. And I think about what can the individual do about this kind of nonsense, which is what it is. This is not the way this planet should be run. Mistreating people based on color.
Wow.
Or any other thing.
Yes,
Mistreating people should not be something that you get fun and glory and profit out of. Nobody should do that.